Shalom, City of Refuge, Homestead. So today I am gonna go out and see what I can harvest. It has been so busy. Look at this, green beans. We're getting ready for the school year, so all you homeschool mommies know what that is like. Got a lot of green beans this morning. I'll let that one go a little longer. I'm gonna take this one here. We have a bunch of bush beans. Some are still, oh, there's another one right here. Some are still growing, so production is staggered. Here are my watermelon vines. I haven't seen any watermelons yet. We'll see. It's my first time growing watermelon. So let's check my cherry tomatoes. Nothing yellow yet. Let's see. Nothing yet. Let's see over here. We got nothing yet. And let's check these bush beans over here. Okay. Some more bush beans. And some more bush beans. I hear bees buzzing around me. And let's check these tomatoes over here. Not ripe yet. None of these tomatoes are ripe. Oh, we have a tomato on the floor. Probably was too heavy and fell off. So this is just an opportunity to have some green tomatoes. And let me show you over here. We have some clusters of tomatoes here that are not quite ripe, as you can see. Let's go over to the cucumbers. I've been watching the cucumbers, so I know that we have a cucumber that's ready here. Wish I had my little garden scissors, but I don't. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, here we go. Another one here. Garden scissors when you need them. I just twist them. Probably not the right thing to do, guys, but here we go. Another one here. And then I'm gonna do this one too. Another one here. Then we have, I'm gonna let this one go a little longer. This one go a little longer. And then as you can see, we have a ton of flowers and cucumbers coming in. So I think that's it as far as this morning goes. Let me show you. I have some yellow summer squash coming in, and I want to say that is spaghetti squash, maybe. I'm not sure. I forgot. And then my snow peas have been producing. I wasn't expecting them to get this big. I thought I purchased a dwarf variety, but maybe not. I don't see any snow peas on here this morning. And I guess while I'm over here, I'll show you my corn. It's doing well. This one I planted in the Three Sisters method, really as a test. So this is some squash, and then, oh look, I have some beans here. They're not quite ready, but I have some beans. And then I'll show you guys my little corn patch. So I have more corn planted here and here, and then I have some tomato plants on the end. So but this is it for this morning's harvest. I'm going to probably make some pickles today. I don't know. We'll see what the day brings. I kind of take it day by day. So that's it for this morning. I pray that you enjoyed this video. City of Refuge, Homestead. Shalom.